Welcome to Mutual Fund Investment in 2 minutes.
Mr. Bull, I want to invest in mutual funds but I have no idea about them.
No problem, John. One should always understand the basics of mutual funds before investing. Let's start with mutual fund investment. Mutual fund appoints a fund manager, who is responsible for implementing a fund's investing strategy and managing its portfolio trading activities. Fund manager receives money from several investors like us. He invests that money in financial instruments, like stocks, bonds, and money market instruments. Open-ended, close-ended and interval funds are three types of mutual funds. Open-ended funds are funds in which units are open for purchase or redemption through the year. Most of the investors invest money in open-ended funds. Close-ended funds are funds in which units can be purchased only during the IPO. Interval funds are a combination of open and close funds. Now it's time to talk about most popular mutual funds, and that's why we are going to talk about equity-based mutual funds. Large cap fund invest mostly in big companies with market cap more than 10,000 crore. Mid-cap fund invest in companies whose market cap is in range of 500 crore to 10,000 crore. Small-cap fund invest in companies with market cap less than 500 crore. Most of the tax-saving mutual funds are ELSS schemes and make investments in equity markets. You can get tax benefits under Section 80C with locking period of 3 years. Index funds, as the name suggests, invest in an index. For example, Sensex-based fund invest in 30 companies which are present in Sensex. Sectorial fund invest in businesses that works in a particular industry or sector. For example, Pharma fund invests in quality pharmaceutical companies, and Banking fund invests in banking and financial sector companies, for example, banks and NBFCs, etc. Diversified fund invests in companies regardless of size and sector. It diversifies investments across the stock market in a bid to maximize gains for investors. After watching this video, we can say, buying mutual fund is nothing but giving your money to fund manager for investment. Fund manager gives returns on your investments when price of stock increases. Important concepts.
NAV represents a mutual fund's per unit market value. If NAV of fund is $15, it means you can buy 1 unit of mutual fund for $15.
Some mutual funds pay regular dividends. With growth mutual fund, you allows the fund company to reinvest the money. Selection is yours. Mr. Bull, let's get rich.